Hi, this is day 2 at the end of the day, and I'm just going to give you a walkthrough of how much work I've done in 2 days. So let's kind of do a quick walkthrough. I worked on this little guy. There's a little video before that, kind of showing how I did it or what I did for that right there. So I did that. There's the door frames and also the one side of the door. We got that one, 2, 3, 4, and then we went upstairs. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then when we went over on the next boat, we had a little extra time, and I did, I think, 7 doors over there. 2 doors were full wraps, but I didn't do any of the frames. So let's go over there and check out the 7 door wraps I did over there. All right, so here's the extra boat. We had extra material and time, so I did both sides of these doors. This right door, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I got another on this side of the door right here, 8. So 7 doors, but mostly fully or front wrap only. But this is, I'm just showing you what can be done in 2 days on a workboat. That this is my second job with these guys, and they're really impressed. The last one lasted, or it's been about three years, and it still looks, they said it looks diamonds. It's in Nigeria right now, so it's I can't see it. But other than that, if you want more information or if you want to see more patterns, go to the rmwrapstore.com. And if you want custom prints, like refrigerators, door wraps, mini fridges, you can go to the rmwraps.com. So that's kind of in a nutshell how much we did in 2 days. Oh, if you want to get a hold of me, 208-696-1180, info@rmwraps. And you get a hold of us, Devin or I, Randy, with any projects coming up. So, okay. See you next video, guys.